Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We wish to talk about value after hearing our readings today as we continue our Advent journey. The Lord saw the value in these people. He pastured through the words of the prophet Isaiah. The Lord gave His power like a shepherd feeding his flock, gathering the lambs, carrying them in His bosom, and leading the ewes with care. At kahit sa bago pa lamang ng mga salitang ito, pinahayag na po ng Diyos ang Kanyang pagpapahalaga sa Kanyang minamahal na pastulan at mga tao by calling out this vocation to give comfort to His people, to make straight the path of the Lord, because someone will be coming after them, giving value to His people. And much so in today's gospel, Jesus gave us the story of the parable of the lost sheep in the version of Saint Matthew, rejoicing over this one lost sheep, after being lost, now found. We can feel that sense of value was so strong for this shepherd, that he is ready to leave the 99, not because he won't care, but still because he was valued. Then he shared, or he wished to share the mission of sharing the value to this lost sheep. At napakagandang aral po para ito sa ating mga minamahal na kapatid. Mahalaga ka dahil sa Diyos na nagpapahalaga sa atin. Mahalaga tayo dahil mahalaga tayo sa Diyos na punong-puno ng puso at buhay para sa atin. And for many times, we find ourselves being found by God in the midst of us, going astray, going far off, being at a loss in life, being reconciled by God, having peace with the Lord. And for most of the times, we've seen ourselves being found by loved ones, by relatives and friends, after our moments of being aloof, of going astray, of being missed out during this life. Hinanap tayo ng mga taong nagpapahalaga dahil mahalaga tayo para sa kanila. Today we celebrate the memorial of Saint Juan Diego. Through God's goodness, Mary showed His presence to this indigenous person, Juan Diego. Para kay Juan Diego, yung pagpapakita ng mahal na ina, sabi niya nga sa mahal na ina, I wish to find another one worthy than me to receive your presence. I am just a poor guy. I am just an indigenous. Marahil hindi ako kinikilala, hindi rin ako pinaniniwalaan ng tao. But God saw the value of Juan Diego. God saw the value of his humility so that he can be a means for the bishop, for the priests, for the people to know that Mary is mother, that the Virgin is there to be in their midst. Nakita ng Diyos at hinanap ng Diyos ang halaga ni Juan Diego para maging simbolo ng presensya ng mahal na ina at ng Diyos sa kanilang buhay. Let us celebrate such goodness of God, my dear friends. Mahalaga ka sa Diyos na nagpapahalaga sa iyo. He sees your value because He values a lot. He enriches you because from Him we get to be secured and feel loved at every moment of our lives.